What's up, y'all? It's Jordan Martin with Martin Investment Group and Martin Stock Club. There's three stocks I'm looking at tomorrow, all to the downside. We're looking at some stuff that's had a really crazy run up. I mean, I don't normally slap indicators on my chart, but even if you throw on a Bollinger Band, you can see this is a very extended running up the side of this Bollinger Band here, or walking up the band. Right? If we throw on an RSI, you got to know this thing is pushing oversold. Overbought territory, right? Especially if you take it down a time frame, should be very clear that we're overbought here, right? So the indicators are showing those signs that we want to look for as far as indicator reversals, right? Keeping in mind we don't trade solely off of indicators because, like we're seeing here, if we were selling or going short or buying puts just because it's at the top of this band, we would have been getting eaten up every single day, right? But we're waiting for that reversal to trigger. And so what I'm waiting on is seeing how we have made all of these higher highs and higher lows, waiting on a new low. Once we get that new low, that's when I'm looking at going short on whether it'll be a day trade or a swing trade. It might be an extra, 2 days so that we can go ahead and cool off after this big move up. So what I'm gonna do is set my alert for a new low of day, which would be giving us 38.84 on GM. All right. And so that'll be giving us a new low. I can trigger that for my entry for puts. And then go ahead and start looking at coming down and taking out some targets below, getting back inside the Bollinger Band range. Right. Another one that I'm looking at is PANW. Okay. So same sort of deal. We see that we had this big move up. But just like before, all right, just looking at overall price movement, we see we came outside, pushed up, and this is even without the Bollinger Band, right? Kick back down, move back up, right? Same thing I'm looking at here again is that these are all just higher lows. We haven't made a new low yet. And then we had this red day today. Doesn't mean we have to get a new low like we see right here. I'm gonna set my alert for a new low being made. I actually want to take out not just the low of yesterday, or not just the low for Tuesday, but I want to take out Monday's low too, because it's close. So that'll be 169.50. So I'm gonna say 169.49 will be triggering a new low for the previous 2 days. And then lastly is Southwest Airlines big run up. They just had earnings last week, continued up, filled the gap above. And so now I'm looking at to go ahead and start tapering back off some, possibly pulling back to this area here that it previously was resistance and support, right? Or found demand as well. So looking for a pullback here. I'm gonna go ahead and set an alert for a break of the low. It's just 36.55. So I'm gonna go 36.54 just so I can get that alert. And that's it. So those are some of the stocks I'm looking at. In the description, you'll find our Discord where we are trading these and others every single day, live trading, live classes, live call outs. Come on, hop in. Let's make some money together. See y'all tomorrow.